Hello and welcome to the Paper Cup Travels Carry-On Edition. Today we are in Naoussa Paros, Greece, staying at the Christina Hotel in room number 6. At this hotel they use keys, so remember to lock your door when you leave, and that key also needs to be inserted into this slot here in order to activate the air conditioner. This room has everything you need, including the queen-size bed. Over here, you'll find the kettle with instant coffee and teas, the power bar and the phone for the reception. And if we make our way around here, you'll see there's a little safe. It's good for passports and documents. And they did provide an adapter that has some USB ports as well as a USB-C, which was very nice. There is no power outlet on this side of the bed. However, there is enough around the room for you to power and charge your devices. There is an open closet and some shelves for unpacking, and we can make our way into the washroom, where you will find a nicely oriented washroom. Comes equipped with your mirror, your makeup mirror, a toilet, obviously, and the shower, which is only the rain shower. And then they provide you with some amenities and towels. Under here is where you'll find the hair dryer. There's a mini bar over here, or mini fridge, sorry. It is empty, so you'll have to get your own drinks. Thank you for watching this quick room tour of Christina Hotel's room number 6. If you enjoyed these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave.